Alan with the Rebe Homes Team here, and I am with Sydney today, and she has unfortunately had her share of car repair issues. So wanted to talk to her about that today and have her share with you what she's been doing to rectify the situation. Sid, what can you tell us?
I take my car to Chris at Top Notch Collision and Auto Repair. He's always really good and he really cares, and what I like about him is that he's really honest. So I'm always comfortable when they give me the bill. I know that it's, exactly what my car needed and nothing more. So yeah, I would recommend him to anyone. He's awesome.
Right. Thank you.
You're welcome.